If you're over 50 and looking for a natural way to stay strong, energized, and balanced, there's one simple move you need to know. It doesn't require a gym, equipment, or even much space. Yet it can completely transform the way your body feels every day. It's called the horse stance. At first, it may seem like nothing more than standing still. But this ancient posture has been used for centuries by martial artists and healers for its surprising benefits. Just a couple of minutes a day can help improve leg strength, posture, balance, circulation, and even support your overall vitality in ways most people don't expect. And the best part? You can do it right at home, in your living room, in the kitchen, or even beside your bed. No stress on your joints, no long workouts, and no complicated routines. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly why this movement works, how to do it correctly, and why benefit number 7 is something you've probably never heard before, but absolutely need to know if you're over 50. Before we dive in, let me know your name and where you're watching from in the comments below. I'd love to give you a shout out in the next video. 1. Leg strength. Once we pass 50, leg strength becomes about much more than appearance, it's about everyday freedom. It's the ability to stand up from a chair without struggling, climb stairs without pain, and move around confidently without worrying about tripping or losing balance. The horse stance acts like a charging station for your lower body. When you sink into the position, your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and calves all engage together and stay under constant activation. There's no pounding on the joints, no quick movements, just steady, controlled tension that forces the muscles to grow stronger. Unlike high-impact workouts that often wear down your knees or hips, this stance strengthens your legs in a joint-friendly way. It's gentle yet powerful, exactly what the aging body needs. Here's something most people overlook. Strong legs equal independence. From lifting grocery bags to steadying yourself on a slippery floor, your legs are the foundation of your freedom. Just 2 minutes a day in the horse stance can help you regain strength you didn't even realize was slipping away and give you a steady, grounded confidence that carries into everything you do. Because growing older doesn't have to mean losing strength, it simply means training smarter. 2. Core strength. When most people hear core, they picture flat abs or a six-pack. But once you're past 50, core strength is about something much more important: stability, posture, and protecting your back from strain. The horse stance is a quiet but powerful way to train your entire midsection, not just the ab muscles in the front, but also the obliques along the sides and the deep stabilizers in your lower back. While you hold the pose, your body has no choice but to keep itself steady. No leaning, no twisting, no collapsing. That constant, subtle engagement? That's your core working overtime. Here's why it matters. A strong core takes pressure off your lower spine, helps you sit and stand longer without pain, and keeps your whole body moving smoothly. Everyday tasks like turning the wheel while driving, bending down to tie your shoes, or even getting up from bed become easier and less draining. Unlike crunches or sit-ups, which often strain your neck or shoulders, the horse stance builds core endurance. It's the kind of strength that supports you hour after hour, helping you stay upright and mobile through daily life. This is the quiet power working behind the scenes, the strength that lets you stand tall, move freely, and live without constant aches. Because after 50, the core isn't about looks, it's about lasting function and freedom. 3. Restore your balance. One of the earliest, and most often ignored, changes that come with aging is the slow decline in balance. You don't really notice it until you trip on a step, stumble over a curb, or find yourself reaching for walls or furniture just to feel steady. The good news? You can retrain your body to regain this natural sense of stability, and you don't even need to move around to do it. That's the power of the horse stance. When you hold this position, your body is forced to stay centered from the ground up. Yes, your muscles are working to keep you upright, but the real magic is happening in your brain. This pose reignites your proprioception, your body's internal navigation system that tells you exactly where you are in space. Think of it as pressing the reset button on your balance system. With regular practice, you'll notice smoother, more confident movement whether you're walking across a wet driveway, hiking a trail, or even enjoying a dance with friends. And here's the best part. You don't need balance balls, wobble boards, or any complicated gear. All it takes is your own body, a steady breath, and a few minutes of stillness. Because the truth is, falls aren't random accidents, they're often signals that your balance system is weakening. The horse stance helps strengthen that system before problems happen, giving you the quiet confidence to move through life with ease. 4. Strengthen your body, steady your mind. Most workouts focus only on moving your muscles, but the horse stance goes beyond that. It challenges both body and mind. The real test isn't just how long your legs can hold, it's how long your mind can stay calm when every part of you wants to quit. Around the 30-second mark, you'll feel your legs start to tremble, your thoughts begin to wander, and that inner voice urging you to give up. But if you stay still, breathe deeply, and focus, you'll notice a shift. You're not only building physical strength, you're also developing mental resilience. This kind of inner toughness carries over into daily life. When stress hits, when plans fall apart, or when sleep is hard to find, you'll feel steadier, more grounded, and less reactive. Why? Because you've practiced staying present through discomfort without panicking. Science even supports this. Slow, controlled postures combined with focused breathing can lower cortisol, regulate emotions, and improve mental endurance. And for anyone over 50, that's life-changing. Because the truth is, life won't always get easier, but you can get stronger, inside and out. That quiet inner strength often begins with one small practice: standing still, even when your mind is shouting, enough. The horse stance isn't just exercise, it's a form of emotional armor that helps you face life with calm and confidence. 5. Stronger joints. As the years go by, it's often our joints that speak up first. Knees start to ache, hips lose their flexibility, and even simple movements like bending down or standing up can feel heavier than they used to. But here's the good news: you can strengthen your joints without wearing them out. That's exactly what the horse stance delivers. Instead of pounding, twisting, or repetitive impact, this pose builds strength through stillness. This is known as isometric loading, a gentle way to condition the tendons and ligaments that protect your joints. While you hold the stance, your knees, hips, and ankles align naturally, creating steady tension that's strong enough to build resilience but not harsh enough to cause damage. Over time, this improves joint integrity, reduces stiffness, and makes you less likely to suffer injuries from slips, trips, or awkward movements. Think of it like reinforcing your body with invisible scaffolding, support that keeps you stable and pain-free from the inside out. And if you've ever skipped exercise out of fear of making your knees worse, this movement is the safe alternative you've been looking for. Instead of breaking your joints down, it strengthens the structures around them. Because the truth is, aging doesn't mean your joints have to fail, it simply means they need the right kind of training. 6. Balance your hormones, regain your vitality. Ever notice your energy isn't what it used to be? Or that your mood dips for no obvious reason? You're not alone. After 50, natural hormonal changes can influence everything: sleep, motivation, focus, libido, and even overall zest for life. The horse stance offers a natural way to support balance without pills or complicated routines. When you hold the pose, your body experiences a form of controlled stress, the good kind. This gentle challenge signals your system to adjust in healthy ways, lowering cortisol, boosting blood flow, and increasing the release of testosterone and endorphins. Even a short session can leave you feeling more energized and clear-headed. The benefits don't stop there. Pairing the stance with slow, mindful breathing helps calm your nervous system, reduce anxiety, and sharpen mental focus. It creates that steady, "I can handle this" kind of energy that carries into the rest of your day. This isn't magic, it's physiology. By practicing regularly, you're sending your body a clear message: I'm still strong, I'm still active, I still matter. And your body responds with vitality. So instead of reaching for another supplement or quick fix, try giving your body 2 minutes of purposeful stillness. You may be surprised at how quickly your energy, mood, and confidence begin to shift back into alignment. 7. Your body, your personal gym. Let's be real. Most people over 50 don't look forward to hitting the gym. The crowded machines, the loud atmosphere, and even the risk of injury can make it easy to avoid. But what if the most effective gym was the one you already carry with you, your own body? That's the gift of the horse stance. No dumbbells, no expensive mats, no special space needed. Just you, a little room to stand, and a couple of minutes. You can do it anywhere: your bedroom, the patio, during a quick break, or even barefoot in the kitchen while waiting for your coffee. And because it takes less than 2 minutes, it's actually realistic. No hour-long sessions, no complicated warm-ups. Just steady, consistent effort that creates results you can feel. Wherever life takes you, traveling, retired, or just enjoying time at home, your personal gym is always with you. All it takes is the decision to stand and hold. How to do the horse stance. Start with your feet together. Step out in a toes out, heels out pattern until your legs are roughly double shoulder width. Angle your toes slightly outward. Lower your hips slowly, as if sitting on an invisible stool, with thighs moving toward parallel to the floor. Keep your chest lifted, back straight, and knees aligned over your toes. Face forward with your chin level. Breathe deeply, in through your nose, out through your mouth. Begin with 30 seconds, then gradually work up to 1 to 2 minutes. Focus on calm, steady breathing and staying grounded. Remember, the power of this movement lies in stillness, not speed. Who should avoid it? Skip this exercise if you've had recent knee, hip, or lower back surgery. If you struggle with uncontrolled high blood pressure, or if you have severe balance problems. Always check with your doctor or physical therapist before starting any new movement, especially with ongoing heart or joint issue. And if you're already practicing the horse stance, share your experience in the comments. I'd love to know how long you can hold it and what changes you've noticed.